Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can delete or remove any comments from your MS Word document. So first let's open our MS Word document. And here you can see that in this document, I have specifically entered two comments right here. And these are the two comments. The first one is this one and the other one is this comment right here. So in order to remove these comments, all you need to do is once you click on this balloon right here, you can see in the comments section this trash bin right here which says delete thread. All you need to do is simply click on this delete thread button, and here you can see that the comment has been removed. Now similarly for this comment, you can simply click on this balloon right here and it will enable the trash can icon which says delete thread. Simply click on this one again, and here you can see that your MS Word document has been ridden of all the comments that it previously had. So that's it for this short video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.